These new construction companies are desperate to sell properties right now. If you call around, you'll find a few of them if you have new construction in your area. I know some of you don't have a whole lot in the area, but if there's even two, call these builders, see what's available, see what inventory they have, see what kind of concessions they're giving or bonuses that they're giving. It's no longer a flat screen TV. It's like 4% to the realtor and $15,000 to the buyer. Well, I thought you weren't paying realtors. All of a sudden, builders are physically reaching out to buyers agents now. We need your help. We'll pay you a bonus. So if you market yourself the right way, don't say the builder's willing to give you $15,000 in bonuses. That sounds scammy. It sounds like crap's built in. I don't want to do it. I'd rather get a lower price, whatever. Show them that they can lock in a 30-year lower interest rate. You're going to find buyers will call you like crazy. Set this up. Here's a new offer that you can use. Start using it this weekend. You will pick up some clients from this. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information and a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.